Do you want to eat healthier but you hate the taste of fruits and vegetables? I've got the solution for you. Drinking smoothies not only can provide a plethora of healthy benefits, but they also taste delicious. In order to make a smoothie, we will first need to know what materials you need to make one, the steps that you need to take to make a smoothie, and then if you're not convinced to make a smoothie yet, we will go on to discuss the benefits of being a frequent smoothie drinker. Drinking smoothies are not only delicious, but they are also typically filled with plenty of fats, carbs, and protein, and they also have a multitude of vitamins and minerals. In order to make a smoothie, we will first need to have materials in order to make it. Arguably, the most important material in making a smoothie is a blender. I also like to use a spoon in the process of making a smoothie in case certain chunks aren't blending properly, and so I can move them closer to the blade. You also need a cup to serve your smoothie in, and as well as a straw if you'd like one. Now that we have all of the non-edible materials, we also need some edible things. So I use a half a cup of shaved ice. If you don't have shaved ice, you can also use cubed ice. I just use that so that the smoothie will be cool and refreshing. And then I also use almond milk because it makes the smoothie easier to drink, and it also adds some sweetness to the smoothie. Um, After we add these ingredients, we also have half a cup of strawberries, a handful of blueberries, a banana, and a cup of spinach. And if you're anything like me, you might be a little bit skeptical about the spinach part of it. Personally, I hate the taste of vegetables. I don't like any vegetables at all, but um, I found that adding spinach to the smoothies doesn't really impact the taste much, especially if you have like overpowering foods like the banana. Uh, and so it's a really good way to get nutrients in if you don't typically like eating spinach. And according to health.com, spinach can offer you a lot of health benefits, including lowering your blood pressure, uh, helping your vision health, and also improving brain function. So if you have a big test that you didn't study for, a smoothie might be a good option for your breakfast. Now that we have all our materials, we'll go through the steps of how to make a smoothie. So what I like to do first is make sure the blender is plugged in, and then I add half a cup of shaved ice, and I add a splash of almond milk. I put these at the bottom because the ice, since it's close to the blender, it will ensure that the ice gets blended and you aren't choking as you drink your smoothie. Then I go on to add all of the fruits, and I split the banana in half so that it blends easier. And then after I blend all those together, I add the spinach lastly. And after I have the spinach in there, then I blend that in also because I think when you add it after blending in the other ingredients, then you can't taste it as much. After you make your smoothie, then you can take it out of the blender and pour it into your cup and enjoy. Um, there are many different ways you can enjoy smoothies. If this particular recipe wasn't appealing to you, there are a lot of different options that offer a lot of different health benefits. A lot of people I know put chia seeds in their smoothies because they don't really have much of a taste, but they can allow for a lot of different health benefits. Also, if you're looking to gain muscle, Greek yogurt is a really good option because it has a lot of protein. Um, and some people even add things like dark chocolate because they're rich in antioxidants, and uh, they can add sort of a sweet flavor. Um, Drinking smoothies not only are delicious, but they also can provide a lot of health benefits. According to Neighborhood Jam, drinking smoothies regularly can improve your immunity, your blood pressure, and they can even prevent diseases such as cancer or depression. Along with that, smoothies are a really good option for kids because kids are notorious for not wanting to eat their fruits and vegetables, but eating smoothies can sort of serve as a fun way to get those veggies in. Along with that, according to firsthand, drinking smoothies regularly can also improve your mood. I don't know anybody that doesn't want to be a happier person, and drinking smoothies is a delicious way to accomplish that. Overall, there are many benefits to drinking smoothies in ways that improve your mental health, your physical health, and your overall well being. In the exploration of smoothies today, we were able to discover what materials you will need to make the perfect smoothie, the steps that you must take to make your first smoothie, and also how becoming a smoothie virtuoso can improve many aspects of your life. I hope after learning this new skill, you'll be able to implement it into your life and be able to make some delicious treats that also benefit your health.